Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can use the drafting views and how we can create the drafting view as well. So let's start. At the first place, the uses of drafting views. In a simple way, if I'll say in a very shorter manner, if your project is in a schematic design stage where you want to just show the line diagrams of your idea or your schematic design, then you can use drafting views to create the line diagram, those kind of stuffs. Additionally, if you are having a CAD file to show in Revit in terms of the sheets or the views, you can link the CAD file in the drafting views. Additionally, if you want to do something in terms of you want to create notes or draft something, then definitely you can use the drafting views in Revit. It will not be having directly a link with the 3D model in Revit itself, so don't worry about that one. So how we can create that one? So for that one, we'll go in view tab. Right here you will be finding the drafting view option. Just click on that one and this kind of dialog box will be opened. Definitely you can rename this one. Right now I'm going for BIM Guru view 1 for example, and you can create multiple drafting views. Okay, scale based on your requirements, you can set your scale. Click on OK. Now our drafting view is created right now in project browser as well. If I'll just minimize this one, you can see the drafting view probably. Let me see. Yeah, it's right here in coordination. You can see this is the drafting view and this is my view. Definitely from right here as well, you can duplicate this particular view. So for example, you want to duplicate with detailing, this kind of stuff you can do. And additionally, if you want to create more drafting views, you can go for drafting view option right here as well. So let me go in my drafting view 1, and right here, for example, let me add some text. So I can use this one. Let me go for this video is for learning purpose. Definitely, this is kind of a view, and if you want to go for any particular sheet, so for example, okay, this is the sheet, and you can drag your nodes right here in this particular sheet. Yeah. So that's how this is the first use case. You can add multiple nodes and you can, showcase them on the sheets. Additionally, you can insert the PDF, CAD, whatsoever you want to add. So right now, let me go for link PDF file. Definitely go for CAD file as well. And additionally, if you want to show different CAD files and different drafting views, you can use the drafting views in that case as well. So let me search probably right there. Okay, I do not have the PDF at this particular location, but probably the image. So let me go with link image as well, because I have the image right now. But if you are having PDF, CAD, whatsoever, so right now this is my image. I'll click on open, and I can showcase my image as well in this particular drafting view. So right now I'm just pasting that image right here. So this is my drafting view. If I'll go in my sheet as well, my image will be shown right here. So this is a very useful case if you are using the drafting views in Revit. So I hope you understand the point of using the drafting views. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.